Hello everyone. In this video, we'll explore how to connect your email using the IMAP node in n8n. This is a key step if you want to build an email automation system, such as monitoring your inbox, filtering messages, or triggering automated workflows whenever new emails arrive. First, you'll need to have an n8n server up and running. If you haven't set it up yet, check out the tutorial linked in the description below. Second, you'll need an email address, for example, one with a custom domain, to make it easier to manage and use in your automation workflows. Once everything is ready, we can now configure the IMAP node in n8n to connect and automatically read emails. In the search window of n8n, type IMAP. Then, select the IMAP email node and click Continue to create a new credential. In the user field, enter your email address. This is the account that n8n will use to connect and automatically read your emails. In the password field, enter the password of your email account. For the host field, enter the IMAP server address of your email provider. Next, in the port field, use 993 if you're connecting with SSL/TLS, and enable the SSL/TLS option to ensure a secure connection. Finally, click Save to store the newly created credential and test the connection. If everything is correct, you'll see a success message. Next, rename the credential you just created to make it easier to remember and manage in n8n. You can name it based on the email service or its purpose. That's it. You've successfully created a credential for the IMAP node in n8n. Next, we'll create a new workflow in n8n to check and test the IMAP node we just configured. We'll create a simple workflow so you can easily visualize it. This workflow will include two nodes, one IMAP node and one Discord node. Its function is to automatically read emails from your inbox using the IMAP node, and then send the email content to a Discord channel for instant monitoring. Now, first, let's add an IMAP node to the new workflow. This node will be responsible for connecting to your email inbox and automatically reading incoming emails. In the Credential to Connect with field, select the credential you created earlier. This will serve as the authentication for the IMAP node to connect to your email inbox. In the Action field, select Mark as Read so that after the email is fetched, it will automatically be marked as read. This prevents n8n from processing the same email multiple times. If you want to download attachments from your emails, enable the Download Attachments option. Once enabled, n8n will automatically fetch all attachments from the emails processed by this node. Alright, with these settings, the IMAP node is ready to go. Before clicking Execute Node to test, make sure your inbox has at least one unread email. This ensures that the IMAP node has data to fetch, allowing you to immediately verify the result. As you can see, my inbox is currently empty, so I'll send an email from my Gmail account to this address, so that we have some data to test in the next step. Alright, we won't read the content of this email. We'll just use it as test data for the IMAP node. Now, click Execute Node to run the test. After clicking Execute Node, you'll see the results displayed in the output window. The IMAP node will return detailed information about the email. This confirms that the IMAP node has successfully connected and fetched your email. Next, we'll add a Discord node to the workflow. This node will take the data from the IMAP node and send the email content directly to a Discord channel of your choice. In the connection type field, select Discord webhook. In the credential for Discord webhook field, select the credential you previously created. If you haven't created one yet, check out the tutorial linked in the description to set up a new credential for your Discord webhook. Next, in the message field, select the pieces of information you want to extract from the email. In this example, I'll use 3 fields: sender, subject, email content. These values will be sent directly to your Discord channel. Simply drag the fields from the IMAP node's output and drop them into the message field of the Discord node. In the same way, you can drag and drop any other fields you want from the IMAP node into the Discord node. This allows you to customize the Discord message content according to your needs. Alright, now click Execute Node to test. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see the email content sent directly to the Discord channel you configured. Alright, we've now set up the IMAP and Discord nodes. The next step is to activate your workflow, so it will run automatically and process emails as soon as new ones arrive. To make sure the workflow is working after you've activated it, try sending an email to the address you configured. Right away, you should see the email content automatically forwarded to your Discord channel. And that's it. We've successfully connected email with the IMAP node in n8n and sent the email content to Discord. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video.